Welcome. In front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this device. And once you put it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen. So let's just select our language right here by tapping on the arrow. And for me, I'm gonna go with English. And from here, tap on the arrow there to go to the next page, where you will be prompted to insert a SIM card. Now this step is completely optional and literally changes nothing throughout the setup process, so you can skip it for now, and once you're ready, insert a SIM card at a later date if you don't want to do it right now. Then we have the ability to connect to Wi-Fi. If you choose to do so, later on you will also have the ability to log into your Google account and restore the device from a Google backup. And if you skip it, that option just won't be there. Then we have date and time. So you can set the correct date and time. If you also connect to Wi-Fi, I believe date and time is then being set automatically using the network. So because I just chose to skip it, it kind of shows it incorrectly. Right now it's 3:20, not 12. So skip this, and then we have name. So this will be the name of, well, you can put your name, but later on it's gonna basically show this as, for instance, name and device. So for instance, if you put your name, it's going to be your name, device, or something like that. And also the name that you put in here will also have the effect of what Bluetooth name will be. So when you're trying to pair something to this device, on that different device it will show your phone as, well, your name. And I believe hotspot is also going to be based on that. And if you leave it empty, it's just gonna take the name of the device itself, so Niteo Tools Titan or something shorter. Then we have protect your phone. So here we have the ability to set either PIN, pattern, or password. If you want to, by default it kind of prompts you to do so. It's selected by default, so when you tap on next it will go to it. But if you don't want to, you can deselect it and skip it. I'm gonna select a pattern here. So let's draw the pattern, continue, redraw the pattern once more, and confirm. And then we have notifications. So this will be how notifications are viewed when the device is locked. So you can show them, hide them, it's completely up to you. Then we have Google services, so help apps find your location. Then we have improve location accuracy and help improve your Android experience. Now on your devices, it's basically abbreviated to GPS tracking for things like Google Maps and stuff like that. Then improve location accuracy. This is just simple scanning, and then help improve your Android experience. Send user and diagnostic data basically. So if you don't want it, you can disable all of them. Tap on next. And join the community and stay up to date. Tap on the arrow, software updates, and just press on the home button and go home. Welcome, cool. So that is the setup. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.